Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to promote a YouTube video on the X application, which is formerly known as Twitter, using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for X as well as a YouTube account and some videos that we have uploaded. We can start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go around to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to twitter.com. That now points to x.com. We can use a shortcut on the bookmarks tab, x.com. And make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to a new tab. Let's now go to YouTube Studio via a shortcut from the bookmarks tab. Wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to content. Let's go to views to filter by the most viewed videos. We will now be promoting some content from YouTube to X to acquire another audience. So let's now go to details. Let's take the title of the video, highlights, right click copy, go back to X. Let's now click on post, paste that in, right click paste. Let's go back to YouTube Studio. Let's now take the video link by clicking on copy video link. And so the link has now been copied to clipboard. Let's now go back to X. Paste that link. We can also add some hashtags if we wish to. Let's just say Computer Science Videos. USB file transfer. Computer science. Photo transfer. Technical support. And so on. We can now click on post. Let's scroll to the new tweet that was posted. And this will then therefore be broadcasted to your audience on X, depending on if you have a premium service or not. So we can now quit Safari. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.